Atadwe. Atadwe.
Awo.
Mr. Tiger Nut, please come.
Awo Yaa.
Atadwe.
Awo.
With all due respect, we've been good neighbors in this house.
I know.
More or less, we are practically family.
Yeah, sure.
But there's something going on I want to discuss with you.
Discuss to me.
You know, when I bring my charcoal, I keep count of everything. And last night when I was going to sleep, I counted the bags of charcoal. That was like 2 nights ago.
Okay.
It was 16 bags. But yesterday I counted it. I counted it again. I got 15 bags. I didn't want to read any meaning into it. And today, just that before I called you, I counted the bags and they were just 14 bags.
So you mean it has reduced?
Yes, I have shot like 2 bags.
Short without your consent?
2 bags of my charcoal is missing.
How can it be possible like that? You bring 15 bags.
16 bags.
16.
And it's left with 14 bags.
14. Yes. Which means 2 go away.
Then
who took that 2 away?
I don't know. That is why I'm asking.
Because in this house, you know how robber is here.
That is why I'm asking in good faith that if you know anything about it.
No.
Maybe somebody came to buy it for me or something. I don't know.
No. Me, you know, if I wake up in the morning, go to work, in the evening I come back home. You know, and something like charcoal is not hurting me at Atadwe. I will still. Okay. You just imagine a recreational person like me stealing charcoal. How can it be possible?
I'm sorry for asking.
It can be possible.
I hope you've taken no offense.
No. Offended be offended. Forget about charcoal. Charcoal stealing is not my concern.
Sorry, you just get this 5 CDs.
Because if you read John 14 says, the Bible says, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one goes to the Father except through me. You get it? I want to go to the Father. So why should I steal a charcoal?
I'm sorry for inconveniencing you.
No problem.
Take this 5 CDs and buy some
some
porridge for yourself.
Don't let this.
Oh, this is
no.
It's okay. It's okay.
You
don't like it.
It's okay.
For porridge.
It's okay. Money no be problem. Okay. No money no. So I'm going to town to check some 1 or 2 things around the corner. Then after that I come back home and come and sleep a little bit. Okay. So we meet in the evening time. Okay.
Take care. I'll ask.
Yes, ask Gyamfi, that fair guy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry for if.
Oh, no problem. If you don't know, then you ask. It's not a problem. You get me? So I'm going to town. Evening time we shall meet.
Mr. Gyamfi. Kumeni.
Awo.
Gyamfi mpacho bro, medofo. Hey, bra Gyamfi. Gyamfi kumeni. Bema fefe. Bema na city so bi enne. Okala kra na kumi.
Oba waji wi ase afa na nyina boso.
Me ho agije fie prekese ja medu. Gyamfi we dem so. Me ni motifi ayem tene bone. Bidie say.
Ase hu say ase wonu obi di brofo bi nko.
Mr. Tiger Nut Atadwe enaja. Imi ye brofo aba na ye de we ho. Me kan me ti no so de na me de na me ye che no so de nam na burongo.
Na se nyina ya bom ba on de bia me ye che no.
Gyamfi me say. Bidie 3 days ago me kan e 16. And me kan e 15. And a person be kan 14. My dream na say bia me ni ho no bia be yi bi no this kan mo obi o. Say die yin. Me ho makwara.
Na se eswati.
2 bags of free.
Ina ho na be fasa.
That is why I'm asking.
Na se fia so me ni Atadwe pe na wa o.
Mo me no pe na mo fia. Be me na we dem so me ni nsan. Ghana ye den.
I know. Ghana is what?
Me nim say come ya. So there me say 5 cedi pe koko Bidie na 2 bags e bia we ya twiri bia. Chebe na me akoso aba pacho.
Awo. Asembe na wonu making.
So na atifi a wonya adwuma. Atadwe so so bia de bi okwa na we den no. So e we da.
Awo ya manye ma me hu yawo. Me ba mana ne a wo de san me nyina me ni so. What ya say ntam me kra me fro award pa no. Me nye 5 na me kofa Bidie me yenu nim la. E kom de me say, ne kom de me anka Bidie no kan ne nka me fa nka me nkoton na me wo to Bidie ba akora say. Awo don't disgrace me.
Bidie bag 80 cedi.
I said the person what me me use be say. Bidie 80 cedi me nye 5 cedi na nka bu me say. Ntimi na ma fa Bidie na say. O da wa nya sa. Enti say me madwuma say na me tifia na opa say efia ne ma ya na me fa na say. I will go and must we are renting. Can you pour an uncle Muslim uncle with the court? Do you take auntie? I will manage the oil and see me and support.
I sorry, I know I saw a word I will call. Oh, no,
I ever done the Ben or did at the Abefiada. And I said the Ben or do it machine at this one at the Abefiada. Ah, then answer me Tifia management, who said I'd make me and I know person catch me. I catch me. Don't disgracing me. You are disgracing me. Yes, I mean, I
am no meal. Who we are Bidie? I am no meal. I'm a Bidie and meow. I am no meal.
What's my walking? A phone is away, a bosom, phone is away, a bosom. What you see? What was one as one can, yeah, I said so can ye, and for to me.
Will be a man, may a professional.
I know you are professional
charcoal seller.
Yes,
my business administration, mankind.
But don't disgrace me, say me for Bidie. I'm no stealer.
I can't say, what's in your fire? Bidie,
what can I steal you?
Bidie, oh, say, may the pure water go from Cranani, but now no far Bidie no. Maybe Gerard did the sergeant and I'm due, but what far Bidie no, bet you know. If it's a Bidie, you. Me oba say me pesa me basa be me jam ya me ye we kwedi so most master de movie an enya asem ye nkanka graduate ka me to Bidie enso me pesa me basa nti say me hunya me ye me kwara agofia Madam, good afternoon. What's your name? Omuni, Oma, my show, Omuni. Come, Mr. Atadwe. Miss Woniho, oh, by ye, Mr. Bearman, I bury him. Mistress Miniscat, Bearman, I bury him, Miss Woniho, me found in your bury him. Oh, I said Bearman, I bury him, being some about Channel. Amani. But your name becoming describing never be Janin to send cabin me at Yato. Eh, dear Sika. I'm passionate me or the Bidie 2 bags be bread me brow fee. Pardon? Oh, say, or the Bidie 2 bags of bread me brow. Ah, yeah, why? Atadwe. But you went to my yard to one of my man. Can I say, but you 50 cities, or the Nimi no my 50 cities. And I'm a brass and then no brain is going to. Atadwe this kind of Bidie me no more 50 cities. Oh, Obama does, Obama the man. Why? Atadwe, we are very good neighbors. A very good tenant. Oba, me the man why? Me dance and passion. Into which I now say, scanner away. You're far away. I want the pa. Me but 2 away. I want the pa. 1. Me dance. Miss me dance. Yeah, Oba fefe. Also no. Yeah, Otobrosie. Adi apena. And I buy na me tian we. Kafra, what it? Passion mate. You.
To Mrs. Tapa, cushion to make a channel. You answer so what when you now go Fakron, the mother green. Ah, I don't come la. Bibia, tell a man my head. Bibia, tell my hey, go fante. Atadwe, go fante. Atadwe, go fante. Hey, are you anybody a banner? Oh, yeah, no, what about cow she will from what? Wow. Say the Aboko, dear. Oh, Biaboko, say, Jabeno there. Oh, when you could have wouldn't be out for catching this idea. Kakanka. Really, Nora, Bidie bagging you here and the vine and then come a veggie scanner. Sican, Sicana. Oh, Sicam Dam when you have a send on family with you. Ah, nothing me free fear and you only about him one or Yamba. Ah, Medajan, Madame, Mrs. on family with your cry. Oh, maybe. Ah. Meba. Become me free fear and you mean free fear cry 1 hour cram by. Oh, meba. Be as a cry, ma'am. Akosia. Second with the mother for I tell you, do not blame. Okay, Marty. When's I make us a maho? All of the JF, Odama Wea. Or say, Odama Wea. Mamma is Odama Wea. Or this kind of koja woya. Fronia Bano. Nibisan say, well, like one can't say behind Chirano, but I would discount your man. Madame and no come on. You know, no, every anyone no one should die, or damn, maybe in a drink in Sahun. Nto da ma Awo Yaa. Na nyima Awo Yaa.
O na se men catch was a man kasa fabre mo men catch was a meba fia ba beji na wie nti me ho ase wo di ma nua ba ne so mfa nko fie
musu sika na omo a medi nti me da man oh to da ma Awo Yaa nti akwa Awo Yaa wa Awo Yaa disika na ba ma
o de unim obeya wa hu furo nua ba no na aka kire ne se me ma besi na chi wo ha ise nti onji sika no wa Awo Yaa ho no mfa mbre mpreko because me kwa adwuma minti men sane nkoso fie na no nya simple nti fere no ka kire nso onji sika ne mbra
men kan chem nyaba na onji sika no wa Awo Yaa amfamra
na se man kan ni nsuo gina manum me se fro nua ba na ka kire ne se ngina ha me etwa no onji sika ne mfamra na me kwa adwuma mu nya sa lore fe kora me nya bi nkwa
nya fie na lekọ
me kwa adwuma mu wo so kora wo ma wo twa sententen dodo me kwa adwuma mu amfa sika namba me nya bi nya lore fe
ko na Awo Yaa odba mo sika ne me twa sika me da mo Awo ko Awo Yaa amfam a na ehu de ebia ma maniska na wan fama ma maniska.
I am very, very disappointed in you. Madi, you're serious.
Custom, yeah.
Why no you beje adwuma yo? Because you're fine.
Oh.
Because my catch was said to me member fear be discussing this guy here nua ba say on family wo fi. Sani yes man.
Omo amedi.
Sani ye di biska. Wa kwa loan wo bank ne yese fa betu fi abeka so obedi. Wan kire so ye panyin, wan kire so wo nyansa akwara.
Oh.
Wan kire so ye businessman akwara. Wadwene wo fondo do fan kwasi ase mfiroko.
Atadwe na me na yem da man.
Mfiroko.
People are fucking. People are bad. Appearances are deceptive. Me I won't mean bone man no no mo be your bone. Papa Yasa. In fact, I'm overwhelmed. I ready so makoma. I've done Gyamfi a great disservice. It's in Panacho.
Hey, Awo. We ya bopa o. We be say na sia boya ncho be nse nsuo agam ni nsuo to ta because ye wura pebre hin saade a nsuo na ya tutotwa no. Awie ni yan boye jai ya na ejan gigigigigigi.
Are you now a meteorologist?
I just say weather forecast for the ye ni wiem. Hey. Skaya wo kan yi de. O sen skapa o na ja. No be ne de. Be nya to afon. Na nini nse meba kura no wapie kura o na won ko ba bia ngawo obeje edi send ne 3 days nkrofo bia ndin dade koma be ne wo mende dade abro se wo fadade ni guhu a wa koton dade no na wo ton dade ni wi ni first kan to obeje edi so no ne so discuss ma na kura so mfa nkoma bi na ye kwa ne ka che ne se saade na kura no nko nkwa discuss na mbra na adambo a
se wo tapum bi mu a we are welding no me no na eh maybe Bidie na me ton when your case for wedding shop wa emfa ma me tap mo me Bidie joint
na say wo nua ba ne bibi ni ametima yi wasi 3 say bisa bi ye nyina ye tenancies assign to wa mintimi nya hwehan ja honko well I have to sit down and solve the problem just say ye be ne de say ni ade na si ahe no ye be ne de
ade be
na we nya de ni kwan so man twene tenten because wo ya we wo nya ade bi wo ha ya ntwin tenten wo o da fa na be ya de nya ni 50-50 na asem mfa na asem nko ya nya ni 50-50 na asem mfa na
the wise man who thinks he is fooling the fool turns out to be the biggest fool in this world.
My chire fa bra twi ma me hwe na brofo na de ase man me nshada anti ase yi wo chire mama na kwesi sempacho.
I don't have your time.
Awo hwe ye wade bu ohowa hu oni ni party fie no wo ye no wa hwe ya be ma ne ntem atete se wo hu ne me so de we ne mama ya ntwene tenten ye nya ni 50-50 na asem mfa na asem nko wo hu e simple ba sa asan hia me ka no pese wo twene tenten na nya fine wo hu nka ye ni nka waje atum 50-50 papa ni bia akọ ni ba bi wo hu
Atadwe
awo
me no tifi ase ntene bone
oh dabi
nti still bone ni why
anything me ka say Se be ya se ne be ya abone embam ne yenye ni 50-50 na asumdie mbra e no ne beboa.
Ohene. Me kwadenda na kan tetena se. Na hwe bidie man e ma me. Why? Say the same all as business me na wo dia. Ti hwe bidie ma yen. E na wi ase kran no de enam gya okra enyira. Ti sit down.
Ya okra bi wo wade. Ya okra bi wo wade na nja na nyame ambo baba ne na ne bi ni chance ni.
Bidie na 14 bucks.
Tie.
Awo
ndia no man nya de be ma yamanso be ba no ye ntam. 50-50 yen ko. Anya ba wie. 50-50 ni muamwa wa hu. Asase nye wo twene tenten anya fine. Ti ni wo ja ho akwa na.
I see bidie na ka 14 bucks. Shama me. Na wo de nam ja okra. Anyira.
Awo de anya ni 70-30. Wo de anya ni 70-30. Kra ma me ne hu a minimum agi ne hu akwa akodi. Minimum anya ni yie. Nke no no beboa. Awo. Hai. Konfante neso aboa de mi nhye bi o mabrabo nkrada. Ne wo maka to se wi me ba fia ba discuss ya ndi asoma nua ba se on fa nko ma Atadwe. Maka to se soma nua ba manifest cambrem. Maka to se soma nua ba manifest cambrem. Ese wo biska ya me nsanka. Ono so wa hu se anya kromfo.